name is Gopinath and I'm working in Cognizant. The reason why I am behind the Skoda, this was happened a year before, the same day when I entered the Skoda showroom. My friend referred me a Skoda. Why Skoda? Because I used another version of the vehicle, the brand name is Toyota. When I went for the test drive, I was astonished with the Skoda, what is having in the Skoda. That's the first time I was driving the vehicle. So I was got impressed. The performance given by the vehicle is very good, and I was surprised. Wow, this is what the Skoda stands for. Okay, I make my Skoda, which my Skoda is rapid version. The performance of the vehicle is very good. Next part of the service, wherever the Skoda, the service center is very good, and I have the persons, they behaving with the clients and the customers are very good, and especially with regarding the SGA motors, the Skoda service is very amazing. The persons, they behaving with the clients and customers are very good, and the way of their reaching the customers are also good. I am happy to be a Skoda. Yeah, first anniversary is completed with my Skoda vehicle.